Hi, Dennis Jones is my name. I'm a Senior Financial Advisor and Business Consultant here at CCA Financial Planning. Today I'd like to have a little bit of a chat about insurance as a key component of a holistic financial plan. What I have on the board here, which I hope you can see, is a rather colourful graphic. What it attempts to illustrate is that as financial advisors we're helping clients to build wealth. This green line here represents money invested in superannuation, money invested in property and shares, all of that coming together to grow your financial position over time. The red line here is representative of finance, of money we borrow to help us buy property, to help us buy cars, to help us achieve the things we need in the short term which require financing. However, in the long term, what we're trying to do as part of a financial plan is to progressively reduce that debt, so by the time we get to retirement, and hopefully before retirement, our debt is reduced to zero or close to zero. So in summary, we've got investments in property, investments in super, building, maybe investment properties, building over time. We have debt being progressively reduced. Now, that's all very well, and then if that works out well, then in retirement we've got a significant nest egg here of both superannuation and maybe investment property and maybe shares that can be used to provide income in retirement. And with significant capital and income in retirement comes financial choice, comes lifestyle choice. And as financial planners here at CCA, we're committed to helping our clients create that choice for them and their family. However, what happens if, and from a risk management perspective, insurance is really critical as well. Insurance is simply the process of transferring a risk that you don't want to keep yourself to a financial institution by paying them a premium. And obviously we all do that with our cars. We wouldn't drive around without car insurance. Our houses, contents, we insure. So we believe it's very important to fully insure your income, to fully insure your life to the extent that you want to protect your family and the people you love. So insurance, we position it here as an umbrella, but it's really a foundation for your financial plan. And if you don't have the right insurance, then the financial plan that's well underway can be completely compromised and thrown out the window by something happening, a serious injury, serious illness. At CCA we also have a priority claims service, so we do help our clients process claims rather than just leaving them to the insurance companies. So we do see a lot of claims, and we do see a lot of situations where someone's financial plan that was working very well would be completely decimated if they did not have the insurance when they need it. So I guess the next question is, why bother getting advice when it comes to insurance? I mean, you can get insurance online, and we've all switched on the TV. We're just inundated with advertisements about insurance. Well, it is true that you can get insurance online or you can get it over the phone, but what if it's not quite right for you? Our real concern, quite frankly, is that many people have insurance that's not covering them properly. The advertisements say, well, you can get it online and it's easy. That normally means that there's no underwriting done, or very little underwriting when the policy's taken out, policy's issued. But then any underwriting to see if that policy's right for you is often done when you make a claim, which may mean that you're not simply covered the way you thought you were. I think it's a very dangerous situation not to get good advice when it comes to something as important as insurance as part of a financial plan. The other issue too, we have in-house accountants, and we often look at situations with people's tax. So a lot of people will have insurance that they own personally when perhaps it should be owned by superannuation, so the premium's effectively tax deductible. So it's not only making sure you've got the right policy, and in that regard we broker the market to compare all the different companies and choose the most appropriate one for you in terms of the benefit and the cost, but also how the policy is owned to ensure that you're getting the most tax effective ownership of the policy as well. And then the beneficiaries. Who should be the beneficiary of your insurance? Should that be through super? Should it be a binding beneficiary or non-binding? There's all those technical terms. How does it fit with your estate plan and your will? Now, a lot of these issues are simply not considered by people that are effectively just selling insurance online or over the phone and not providing you with comprehensive advice as part of that process. So I think suffice to say, in summary, insurance is the umbrella or the foundation for a good financial plan that's going to be sustainable into your future and help you achieve what's important for you and your family. Insurance is critical, but also getting the right insurance and the right advice with regard to insurance is just as important. Thank you.